Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the OBS Studio failed to start recording error. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS app. In the upper left corner, click on File and then select Settings from the menu that appears. In the left panel of the Settings window, click on Output. Scroll down until you find Video Encoder, then click the drop-down menu right beside it and select Software X264 if you are using hardware. Next, navigate to Output mode at the top. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select Advanced. This will give you more control over your recording settings. Now, click on the Recording tab at the top of the window. Navigate to Video Encoder and click the drop-down menu right beside it. Here's where you'll choose the right encoder based on your GPU. Select NVENC H.264 or NVENC AV1 if you are using an NVIDIA GPU. Select AMD HWH.264/AVC if you are using an AMD GPU. Select QuickSync H.264 if you are using an Intel GPU. Avoid X264 if your CPU struggles, as this can cause performance issues and recording failures. Once you've selected the appropriate encoder, click Apply in the bottom right corner, then click OK to save your changes and close the settings window. Now let's make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. In the bottom left of your screen, click the Start button, then type Device Manager and click it from the search results. In the Device Manager window, double-click on Display Adapters to expand the list. Right-click on your graphics card, then select Update Driver from the menu. Click Search automatically for drivers and let Windows search for any available updates. This process may take a moment, so be patient while it completes. After the driver update finishes, close your OBS app completely. Now, right-click on your OBS app icon and select Run as Administrator. This gives OBS the necessary permissions to access your recording hardware properly, which often resolves recording errors. You should now be able to start recording without encountering the failed to start recording error. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.